Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update. For this is going to be a very early update, and yesterday I still remember telling you that Bitcoin is looking to go on a technical target here of nearly 47,000, and boy did we just met the target. I think the target has clearly been met. I just want to go back into the previous charts, I guess, where I just draw the line. Where's the line, guys? I think, yeah, somewhere here, I'm just gonna undo everything because I need to see. uh I don't know, this magically just disappeared. The line that I just draw yesterday, is it here? No, I'm just gonna go back. Anyways, if you did watch the channel, guys, I was actually telling you that I cannot say that Bitcoin is about to go down, because what you're putting here was a W like this, and you broke out of the W. So you take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you broke out of the W, and you can see you met the technical target right on the money. Okay, now what comes next? Okay, what comes next? The retest comes next, actually, before you move to the upside. So what I'm gonna say here is that Bitcoin is really amazing. And remember, yesterday we talked about this rising wedge. Now, one thing that I've seen back to back with the coins in general is that when you're in a downtrend, a bullish pattern can get invalidated, and when you start in a strong uptrend, when you get very bullish, then even this bearish pattern got invalidated. Now, I wasn't surprised, because at the end of the day, I told you that this W right here that you put had a technical target to take you there. So it was a little bit shady, and I was saying that maybe this will not play out. But if you start to lose the trend line, which we never even lost the support, then you will start to actually fall down, but you never lost the support, so it was all okay. Now I'm going to remove that ridiculous rising wedge, which didn't even play out. And I was looking at other different coins, and I was telling you that altcoins are looking to pump. Okay, so it wasn't making sense to me that Bitcoin is going to fall. Now, you've broken out of a resistance that you never did back in the days, which was from this place right over here. I'm going to show you. Ever since January, you've never crossed this huge resistance, which now you did. So I want to turn on the volume and see if the volume is actually good. Yeah, the volume is kind of decent, but it's not the best volume, but it's just good. Okay, the volume is out there. It's just normal. Look at this volume spike and look at that breakout. It's okay. It can actually the volume is not the only thing to confirm breakout, but this is actually a confirmation ticket of you breaking out, because you never did up any time in there. So this was a huge green candle, and you've gone to 47,000 after a very long time here. And now the only thing I'm going to say is that if you were to retrace, is you will come back again to the 44,500, back test it, and then up you go. But the next targets, as I told you before, is that I'm looking for is the following, which is going to be 53,000 and 57,000, simple put. Now, I am personally in the favor of a $57,000, and that is because of this ascending triangle that we're breaking out of. So let me tell you about the ascending triangle. So what I'm going to say is you're going to take this top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out of things, and you can see this is taking you all the way potentially to that even 58,000, 57,000 mark region. So this is logical. This is now going to be in play if you don't start to lose this yellow line support right here. I'm going to stretch this out for you. Yeah, you don't want to lose this one, the support right over there. And there's one more technical target of 53,000, and I'm going to show you why. Right, so that was 57K, but you can already see that you have like some sort of a W, this one as well. So this double bottom right here on the daily, and this ascending triangle. Now the ascending triangle takes you to 57K. This one has already been met. Okay, this technical target is played, is done, it's finished, we wrapped it off. Now this one, this huge W is gonna take you where? Nearly 55,000. So it's possible to go to this price level. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Two targets. Okay, 54,000 or 53,000 and 57,000 or 58,000. I'm actually going to turn this down a little bit down here to the 53 400. That's only, and that's it guys for this update. If you guys want to learn how I'm trading all of this and making all this miraculously very good analysis, because by the end of the day I was telling you that this is about to actually go up to a technical target of 47,000, and that was actually on a journey to go there. I said this back through 2-3 days ago every single time in the video, and I even made a video saying that this might be a merciful weekend and we might not have another dump. Previously last week I also said we are not going to have a dump. Maybe weekend is going to be miraculously merciful weekend. All of this is answered in my course, okay? Everything you want to know, things that you don't even know, is already answered in the course. And you want to take it, you can even pay $29 if you want to pay through cryptocurrency using tethers. All you have to do is come to the Discord and message me on the Discord, okay? Go to the announcement tabs and you can click on my profile here and message me, and I'm gonna tell you what to do to get it for $29. And it's already right now like 17 hours of contents at this point of time, and you're gonna be getting even way more contents as the days go by. And that's it for the update guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is your technical target. This is your technical target, given that you don't fall back into the trap over here, okay? Remember that you don't want to lose this level, otherwise it's a fake out. Simple put. Come back, find the retest, go up. And one more thing is that I think you're making a bull cross right there. This is what I'm talking about. Come a little bit up here with the 55 and the 20, and I think the 10 has already joined the party. Let me bring the 10 EMA as well. So here we are with the 10 EMA, and you can see, wow, this is it guys. All I can say is that, let me bring back the 10 here. Yeah, and all I'm gonna say right now guys is I think Bitcoin, you can see that where's the 10 EMA, it's down right at the support. Come back to the 10, hold the 10, hold the support, boom, we explode to the upside completely. Now even if we go to the $57,000, then what is this like? Only $6,000 to $7,000 more, or $10,000 more to take the all-time high. Then there's a good chance and possibility that you come and take this, you know, all-time high, and you potentially start to go to $100,000, which I've given you previously when I started actually the YouTube videos, which I was telling you that Bitcoin is one day gonna go to 100K and then potentially go to the 200K level, 200K, and that's where I do see the end of the actual bull run. And then you go for the bear market, because I told you back to back in the videos, this was never in a bear market guys. We actually had higher lows and a higher high. This is still in an uptrend. If you actually look at it like this, it's still in an uptrend. And that's it for the update guys. Do check out the course, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.